This isn't your regular chicken pie. It is soft on the inside, flaky on the outside, and so creamy. You will want to finish it all at once. In today's video, I am showing you step by step how to make the tastiest chicken pie ever right from your kitchen. So stay with me till the end because I will share my secret trick that makes the crust buttery and perfectly flaky every single time. Let's dive into it. Let's start with the foundation of every good chicken pie, which is the dough. Add some salt into the all-purpose flour and mix thoroughly. I am using cold butter because that is the key to a light crispy crust. We will rub the cold butter into the all-purpose flour until it looks like crumbs. Not too fine, not too chunky. Now let's add some eggs, just 1 egg for this recipe, and add a splash of cold water. Bring it together gently. Here is a tip: don't overmix. We want those tiny bits of butter to stay visible for that perfect flakiness. Here is everything you will need to make this mouth-watering chicken pie. Simple ingredients, but when combined right, they create magic, such as flour, butter, chicken, milk, that is optional, spices, and so on. Don't worry, I will leave all the exact measurements in the description box below, so kindly check out the description box below for the full measurements. Now that our dough is ready, we are going to cover it up and then keep in the fridge, not the freezer. Here is why we are chilling the dough before rolling. It makes handling of the dough easier when it is time to roll it out. And while our dough chills in the fridge, let's make the creamy chicken filling, a chicken pie filling. Before making the filling, here is the star ingredient, chicken. So we are going to boil this till tender with some onions, some salt and seasoning, herbs and spices, finally we add water for boiling. After boiling, this is what we have. Look at that yummy looking chicken, well salted and sauced. So now let's check out some of the ingredients we'll be using for the filling. Onions, green peas, sweet corn, we have carrots, we have sweet potato. We are not using Irish potato, we are using sweet potato just to make our chicken pie filling unique, and our tasty chicken. Now let's begin by chopping the chicken into smaller pieces. This method can either be blended or you can chop it just like this, but for this video we are making it from scratch, chopping with our knife on our chopping board. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the right time for you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell in order to join our food community and lifestyle community today. We have a video on how to make flaky Nigerian meat pie, sweet potato and corn version. That is my secret meat pie recipe. So check out the link in the description box below to watch that video today. This filling is where all the flavor lies. Now add some groundnut oil or coconut oil into the pan. And let's saute the onions until golden. Go in with the carrots, diced carrots. You can see that they are beautifully diced, or you can just cut them in cubes. And that is our green peas, that's our sweet potato, that is our fresh pepper, Now let's give it some flavors with our herbs and spices, seasoning and salt. Now let's go in with the stock, our chicken stock. Add this gradually. You don't want your water to be too much, or you don't want the liquid to be too much. It's time to thicken with some flour, all-purpose flour. You can add more flour until you get that consistency you want. Adding flour keeps the inside of our chicken pie rich, soft and juicy. Here comes the diced chicken. If it is too thick, you can add in a little water to loosen it up. Look at that, yummy and so delicious. Finally, let's go in with the sweet potato. You can see that beautiful yellowish color the sweet potato added to our filling. Now just look at this filling. Creamy, flavorful and packed with goodness. I love how everything blends together. The chicken, the veggies, that smooth, rich sauce. It is so delicious. You could honestly eat it on its own. That is my secret to a feeling that melts in your mouth and makes every bit unforgettable. Now let's bring it together. That is our chilled dough right there. Roll out your chilled dough. Just like this. Here is another tip for the filling. Let your filling cool before adding it to the dough. That keeps your crust crispy. Here are tips for the rolling. If you don't have an oven, bake on low heat using a well-covered pan. Slow and steady heat wins here. Also, you can brush the top with egg wash for that shiny golden finish. That is what we are going to do there. And let it rest a few minutes before cutting and enjoying. It helps the filling set perfectly. Now add that creamy filling and then cover it neatly. Seal the edge with egg wash and then you can use a fork just like that to complete the sealing. Also egg wash the dough just like that before baking. Let's repeat this process for better knowledge or for better sealing. That is egg washing the edges. You don't have an oven? Then no problem. Let me show you how to bake this golden flaky chicken pie right on your stove top. First, place a layer of salt or sand or stone at the bottom of your pot. This helps distribute the heat evenly. Then put a wire rack or a stove head or metal stand inside. Then gently place your pie pan on it. Cover the pot and let it bake on low heat for about 35 to 45 minutes depending on the size. If you are using an oven, now bake till flaky and golden. Just look at that crust. Perfectly flaky, soft and golden brown. The smell alone is irresistible and very tasty. It is soft inside, flaky outside, exactly how a perfect chicken pie should be. My secret that is mentioned earlier is cold butter and a creamy flavorful filling. Simple but game changing. If you love the tips and recipes, you will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbooks. A complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals, baking secrets, event planning, natural hair growth solution, and so on. Plus my online classes which guides you step by step. So what are you waiting for? Check the link in the description box below to grab your cookbook or sign up for a class today. Let us level up together. And if you enjoy this video, don't just watch, try it out and tell me how yours turned out in the comments. I'll be waiting and expecting your comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe because more delicious recipes like this are coming your way every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.